Welcome. This video will cover setting up the Multi Profile Widget, or as we call it, course contacts. The widget pulls from the class list any role that is instructor, or our various administrative assistants can be visible in this widget. The widget appears on each of the new course homepage options and requires instructors to set them up. First, ensure that you have uploaded a profile picture. Scroll to the widget. If you want to display yourself only, click Display My Profile, or if you want to include others in this widget, click Update User Settings. If I do not want to show the admin Fred, I simply toggle that visibility to off. Continue through the options, then click Save or Save and Close. Now, let's add in my contact information. Select the drop-down and configure this widget. Select Edit Course Information and enter your contact info. Then, save and close. This will have to be entered for each of your active classes.